This question is from GATE 2011 Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 46. Match the following non-traditional machining processes with the corresponding material removal mechanism. The machining processes that are given are P. Chemical machining, Q. Electrochemical machining, R. Electro-discharge machining, and S. Ultrasonic machining. The mechanisms of material removal that are given are number 1 erosion, number 2 corrosive reaction, number 3 ion displacement, and number 4 fusion and vaporization. Let me explain the answer now. So the first machining process that is given in P, which is chemical machining. This type of machining involves clean removal of metal, and this removal occurs by the virtue of corrosive reaction between metals and acids or alkalis. And as per the given table, corrosive reaction is the mechanism given in second. Next one, that is Q, is electrochemical machining. Now here the removal of material is by the virtue of electrolysis process. And we already know that electrolysis process refer to the splitting of electrolyte into ions. And therefore there is ion displacement taking place. Ion displacement is given in third one. So Q matches with 3. Next one, that is R, electro-discharge machining. Here, metal is removed from the work surface by the electric sparks between electrodes, and these electric sparks causes the material to melt and evaporate in that local area on the workpiece. Only in that local area, metal melts and evaporates, and thereby the desired machined product is formed. So the mechanism of vaporization is mentioned in fourth one, and therefore R matches with fourth. Last one that is given in S, ultrasonic machining. In this one, the mechanism of removal of material is erosion of the workpiece surface, and this erosion is caused by the fine abrasive particles and the vibrating tool. So the tool is vibrating at high frequency and low amplitude, which causes the fine abrasive particles to vibrate and thereby erodes the workpiece surface and gives us the desired machine product. And erosion is given in first one. So S matches with number 1. R matches with number 4. So we have our answer. P is with 2. Q matches with 3. R matches with 4. And S matches with 1. 2, 3, 4, 1 is the order. Let's go back and mark the correct option. So the correct combination 2, 3, 4, 1 is given in option A. Therefore, A is correct. To learn more about non-traditional machining processes, you can refer to the NPTEL video Lecture 35 Non-Traditional Manufacturing from the course lecture series on Manufacturing Processes 2. This course is by Professor A.B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay and Professor S. Paul. They are from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Kharagpur. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.